Hello friends, today I am going to show you how we can use multimeter to check the transformer. So this part, so now as you can see here, so this part it is the input of the transformer and this side it is the output of the transformer. So I have connected this transformer to the supply line as you can see, and I have already turned on that, and here one multimeter I'm using to check the voltage. So what is the voltage which is coming to this transformer and what is the output of this transformer. Okay, so let's start. So now for checking the input of the transformer, so what voltage it is coming to the input. Now you can see, as I already told you, that in case of AC we don't need to consider about the red or black probe of the multimeter. So because in case of AC, means alternating current, you can use any one to any side. Okay, so now you can see if we connect to this, so now you can see on the multimeter, so on the multimeter it is coming around 228-29. okay, so that it is coming. Now you can see it is coming 229. okay, so that's what it is coming. Now again you can check, it is coming 228-29. okay, so that is the voltage. This was the input. Now we have to check what is the output. So now you can see, to check the output, this is 12012. okay, 12012 output transformer. So in this case the middle one is the 0, means the common, and to the left it will give around 12 volt. So if I connect like this, so now you can see it is coming around 11 volt, so it is nearby to 12. okay, and in the same way if I connect to the middle and the right side, so that it should also give around 12, so it is coming 11 volt. So around it is approximately 12 volt it is coming. Okay, because so many factors affect the output of the transformer also. Okay, so it means this transformer it is okay, and if we check the voltage in between the left and the right, so it will come around 24, so 12 plus 12. So now you can see it is coming around 24 volt. okay, so again you check, this is it is coming 25 volt. So it means this transformer is okay. Okay, so there is no problem in this transformer. This is in the online mode. I will also explain how we can check the transformer without connecting this transformer to the supply line. Okay, thank you all for watching more videos like this, informative videos. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.